Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change password on Paxful application. To change your Paxful account's password using your Paxful mobile app, first of all learn to open the app from your device and log into your account by entering your correct credential. Once you're signed into a Paxful account, tap on the human icon which should be located at the top left or right corner from your interface. After you open up this page, scroll all the way down and get to the Change Password option under Security. Inside the Change Password, enter your current password in the first tab and in the New Password field, type in your new password you'd like to change to for your Paxful account. After entering both of the passwords in the text boxes, click on Save New Password and this will help you change your password on your Paxful account easily. So that's how it's super easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.